Hey guys, so today in this video, I will show you guys how to get unlimited TikTok coins in 2026. So let me just open up TikTok and show you guys. As you can see, we only have 1,000 coins right now, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited coins to my TikTok. So I'm going to press unlock. It's going to add the coins, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this TikTok modded version so you can get unlimited coins as well. So let's just give it a minute for this to load. So as you can see, it says like propagating changes. All right, so let's see if the coins go up. And as you can see, guys, there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited TikTok coins 2026. So let's get straight into the video. This is super cool, guys. So all you have to do is go to your browser and just go to this website and go to the search bar, put in TikTok, and you should see it. So just go ahead and press on it, press download, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. So you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store, and then you should get it for your device. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's just wait for it to download. So as you can see, it says missing files. We need to do this verification. So we got to download 2 of these apps from the list. So we got Match to Win, which says reach level 11. So it's like a game. So I just got to play this until I'm level 11. So that's pretty easy. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of these guys, and then you should get unlimited TikTok coins 2026. So yeah, it's fully working, guys. Super cool. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you're going to be all set. So as you can see, I just got to run this right here, just playing around with it. Then go back to the list, and we've got some more in here. So we got Travel Town. This one says down and reach level 9. Mode Casino, follow instructions on the next page, which says install the app and open it. So that's how to get unlimited TikTok coins, guys. Super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but if you want to get unlimited TikTok coins like me, then be sure to watch this video till the end, because I will show you how to do it. I mean, this is super amazing, guys, and it actually works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but that's how to get unlimited coins in TikTok. So yeah, this is super crazy. And it actually works, by the way. So if you guys are looking for a real method, you will find it here. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get unlimited TikTok coins 2026, guys. So super amazing. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos about how to get free TikTok coins, I will make them. And we can type in TikTok coin cost, and as you can see, it is 13 to 15 cents. So that's crazy for like 1 coin. So it's going to add up fast. So if you want to get unlimited TikTok coins, be sure to try this out. It's super amazing, guys. This fully works. So just download 2 of the apps and you're all set. I think we can go in the App Store too and see how much the coins are. So let me just type this in. And as you can see, if we go down to the in-app purchases, yeah, you can see. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. It fully works. So this is crazy stuff. So be sure to try it out. This is 2026 version. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, but I'm going to see you later. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super cool. It's actually ready and it's updated and everything. So peace out.